Have you had much support from the Foreign Office at all?
No, not at all.
If it wasn't for Radha and Detained in Dubai, we don't know where we'd be.
No.
We just do not know where we'd be.
Welcome, everyone, to the Foreign and Commonwealth Office.
The parents of a man from Nottingham who's being detained in the United Arab Emirates say they are frightened for his safety. They say they are also angry at a lack of support from the Foreign Office.
The FCO is letting British citizens down. Not only do they not adequately warn British nationals about the risks of travelling to the UAE, but they do little or nothing to assist in the event that they do face legal challenges abroad.
Please let my mum come home. The desperate appeal from the daughter of a British woman held in Dubai.
We are offering consular assistance to Mrs. Shahravesh.
They did absolutely nothing to help my situation.
We've actually been told by numerous sources, including clients, that the FCO specifically warned them against contacting us. Why is the FCO telling people to not seek the help of an organisation with a proven track record of success?
Radha Stirling from Detained in Dubai, I owe her so much, and I know that if it hadn't been for her, and I would not be sitting here.
My name is Albert Leonard Douglas.
He was beaten for asking for his medicine. For what? A crime he hasn't committed?
I have had no medication, neither for my heart problem nor for my head injury, where I was beaten and abused.
The Foreign Office aims to protect British people, to promote British prosperity and to project British values.
We've gone to the FCO, we've begged them for help, and our government has done nothing.
I went to the British Embassy, no help whatsoever, none whatsoever.
The FCO did nothing for me, even though I'd served 12 years in the Royal Air Force. I have no faith in the FCO as a result, and it appalls me to this day.
Behind most, not all, but most politics is economics.
Are the UK's economic ties with the UAE more important than the safety of British nationals abroad?
But there's been a sort of a shift in the balance of power. There's the UK looking for trade deals, so it needs the UAE. So the UK as a partner is sort of diminishing in importance. So there's a shift in the balance of power. The UAE is sort of pushing back. It's beginning to punch way above its weight. And the UK has to sort of, box and cox with that, particularly as it wants to get some trade deals. And the UAE is such an important trade partner.
We saw in the Matthew Hedges case that the FCO can get involved and will intervene in cases where they choose to do so. But in the majority of cases, they don't get involved at all. Even worse than that, they go out of their way to literally discourage and deter people from seeking help elsewhere.
No help at all. You're actually on your own. Even a few times I phoned the embassy, they just say they can't get involved in the case. I'm just very glad that I went to Detained in Dubai in the end.
If any of our clients had relied solely on the assistance of the FCO, there would be many people still detained wrongfully abroad.
At what point does the FCO become liable? At what point does the UK government say enough is enough?